Are you tired of constantly cleaning your floors, or worse, spending your weekends vacuuming and mopping? This Roborock Q Revo robot vacuum and mop is here to save the day with its exceptional multifunctional features designed to automate your cleaning routine. With a powerful 5500 PA suction, dual spinning mops, and innovative self-maintenance capabilities, this robot vacuum redefines what it means to keep your home spotless. Whether you have pets, carpets, or high-traffic areas that need constant attention, the Roborock Q Revo is designed to handle it all. Let's dive deep into its standout features and why this product should be your next cleaning investment. 1. Multifunctional dock. Your hands-free cleaning ally. Gone are the days of emptying your vacuum after every cleaning session or manually washing the mop. The Roborock Q Revo's multifunctional dock is built to make your life easier. It offers auto mop washing. The Q Revo automatically washes its mop during cleaning cycles, ensuring that your floors are always being mopped with clean pads. Hot air drying. After washing the mop, it dries them with hot air to prevent musty odors and mold growth. Self-refilling. With a 5-liter water tank, the dock automatically refills itself, allowing the robot to cover up to 4 305 square feet in one go without needing you to intervene. Self-emptying. The robot empties its dustbin into the dock, providing up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning. 2. Dual spinning mops. Attack stubborn stains head-on. Whether it's dried on dirt or a spilled soda, the Roborock Q Revo's dual spinning mops are up to the task. These mops spin at 200 RPM, scrubbing away stains with constant downward pressure for spotless results every time. With 30 water flow levels, you can adjust the mopping intensity based on your specific needs. Whether you're dealing with tiles, hardwood floors, or linoleum, the Q Revo has you covered. And here's the best part, you don't need to baby it. Once it's done mopping, the robot returns to its dock, where it cleans and dries the mop for the next session. This truly gives you hands-free cleaning at its finest. 3. Auto Mop Lifting. No more carpet dilemmas. One of the most common complaints with robot mops is that they can struggle to transition between hard floors and carpets. The Roborock Q Revo solves this problem with its 7mm Auto Mop Lifting feature. When the robot senses a carpet, it automatically lifts the mop, allowing it to vacuum the carpet without leaving any wet streaks behind. After vacuuming, it lowers the mop to clean hard floors, all in one seamless operation. This ensures that your carpets stay dry and your hard floors stay spotless, all without you lifting a finger. 4. 5500 PA suction power. Extreme cleaning efficiency. The Roborock Q Revo doesn't just mop, it vacuums with 5500 PA of extreme suction power. This level of power is more than enough to handle everyday dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris that accumulate on your floors. Whether it's stuck in carpets or sitting on hard surfaces, the robot ensures nothing gets left behind. Plus, the all-rubber brush minimizes hair tangles, making it perfect for pet owners. You no longer have to struggle with clogged brushes filled with fur. 5. Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance. Safe and precise cleaning. Ever had a robot vacuum knock over a pet bowl or get tangled in cables? The Roborock Q Revo prevents these headaches with its Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance system. Equipped with PreciSense LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping technology, the Q Revo creates precise 3D maps of your home. It detects potential obstacles like shoes, cables, and pet bowls, and navigates around them, ensuring a smooth and thorough clean. You can even customize the map by adding furniture and specifying floor materials to achieve the most accurate cleaning patterns. Why the Roborock Q Revo is the best choice for busy households. The Roborock Q Revo isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a time-saving solution designed for modern homes. Here's why it's perfect for your household. Hands-free maintenance. Auto mop washing, hot air drying, and self-emptying features mean you can literally forget about it for up to 7 weeks. Powerful cleaning. With 5500 PS suction and dual spinning mops, it takes care of everything from dust to stubborn stains. Efficient carpet and floor transition. The Auto Mop Lifting feature makes cleaning different floor types seamless. Pet-friendly. The all-rubber brush effectively handles pet hair without tangling, making it a lifesaver for pet owners. For anyone looking for a hassle-free cleaning experience, the Roborock Q Revo robot vacuum and mop is a game-changer. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.